Yo guys, intro time. So I'm leaving Bratislava because somewhere in middle Slovak there's a bunch of snow. And I mean, I can't miss that, can I? I don't have my front license plate. And I have damn nice of a car. See, it's snowing! What the fuck, yo! I fucking love it. I'm just crazy over snow and winter because I don't know why, but it has this special vibe and I fucking love it. God damn, I can't even focus. It's just so beautiful, you know? Okay, now it's starting to rain. Anyways, we're going to slide a lot. I have my gloves, so I have grippy wheel because otherwise it's not grippy. And yeah, I feel like we're ready. So that's kind of intro. And can you see that fucking snow? It's so beautiful. Oh shit! It's going to be so fucking nice, yo! Alright, well, I'll check back with you later. I still have some more water in my windshield wipers, so make sure if you have the same, just spray it out as soon as possible because this shit's gonna freeze in winter. I mean during the night, because I know in Slovakia where I'm going, it's going to be like -10 at night, so that's fucking crazy. Yeah, so odtiaľ?
Hej,
Jo,
aj takto. Ako si prišiel na túto destináciu?
ja som bol v Blave a nie je tu sneh, som myslel, že bude.
A ja som čakal, že bude lepšie. Väčšia sranda by bola.
Hej, však toto, ale aspoň tu nie je ľad, no. To je dobré. Čo máte za motor?
1.9.
TDI? Ja som SDI 50 kW.
Ty.
No,
No nič, poďme. Radšej pre istotu.
môžeme asi, hej.
Čau.
Majte sa. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, I did, definitely, I did. It was pretty boring, especially at the end, I guess, especially for a viewer. But this is pure reality, and it's kind of the first snow that hit Slovakia. In the parking lot, I thought would have a lot of snow, had like none. So I'm happy I slid it a bit, and yeah, tomorrow is gonna be crazy because I'm going to National Park, and yeah, I believe there's gonna be more snow. Yeah, it's kind of outro, I guess. So thanks once again for watching, and have a nice rest of your day, guys. Bye bye.